everybody, welcome to my channel, and here I'm showing you guys the previews of the coupons that we'll be getting. Now please remember, everybody gets different coupons in different areas. Some of these coupons are regional, but majority of you guys get these coupons, which I'm very jealous because I only get maybe about half of these. But we are only getting one insert this weekend, and it's just going to be a smart source. So I'm here to show you guys the coupons that we'll be getting. I usually order my coupons from a Facebook group called Saving Money #2. A lot of you guys ask where I get my inserts. I just do it that way because I like to show you guys more deals. The coupons that I get, I can't show you guys as much deals. So there's that. So we're getting 50 cents off of 2 Betty Crocker coupons. I know my husband is super excited about that because he loves fruit snacks. We're getting Dole, $1 off of 1 frozen bags. Elmer's Glue, $1 off of 3 pourable. They're always trying to bring school supply stuff back because a lot of kids are using up all their school supplies. Eucerin, $2 off of 1 baby products. $2 off of 1 body product. And then we're getting Expo, which is a dry erase marker, $1 off of 1. 50 cents off of 2 Fiber One. Frank's Red Hot Sauce, 75 cents off of 1. General Mills, $1 off of 3. That's not a good coupon. Usually you can get a better coupon on coupons.com. We're getting Glade coupons. Looks like buy one get one free for a car refill. Helper, I'm assuming that's Hamburger Helper. Hidden Valley, Ink Joy, $1 off of 1. Jolly Time Popcorn, 50 cents off of 1. Nabisco Cookies, 75 cents off of 2. I love that coupon. Nivea, $2 off of 1 body lotion. In shower body lotion. Nivea, $4 off of 2 body lotions. So there's that. There's the Rachel Ray coupons for $1.50 off of 1 or $2.50 off of 1 3-pound bag. So there's those, and there's tons of other ones. Renew Life, Schwarzkopf, $2 off of 1 Gliss Hair Repair or $4 off of 2. Sharpie, 55 cents off of 1. Vitafusion, $3 off of 1 Werther's Original, 50 cents off of 1 Sugar-Free Caramels. Wet n Wild, I haven't seen Wet n Wild coupons in forever, but we're getting 50 cents off of 1, $1 off of 1, and $1 off of 1. And then You'll Play, $1 off of 10. So that is pretty much what is coming out in this Sunday's paper. Like I said, everybody gets different coupons, but that is the majority of what is coming out. If you guys enjoy these videos, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the red subscribe button so I can show you guys more deals, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.